Hello, today we will guide you through how to split a picture into tiles in PowerPoint. To begin, open the PowerPoint app. Once it launches, start with a blank presentation so you have a clean workspace to build on. Using a blank slide makes it easier to focus only on the image tile effect without any extra layout elements getting in the way. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. This is where you'll find the tools needed to add shapes to your slide. From there, click on Shapes. In the Shapes menu, choose a rectangle, since rectangles work well for creating a tiled image effect with clean edges and an organized layout. Now draw a rectangle on the slide and make a total of 4 rectangles. The goal here is to create 4 separate tiles that will together display parts of the same picture. Try to keep the rectangles evenly sized and aligned neatly. This helps the final result look polished and intentional. If needed, take a moment to adjust their placement so the layout feels balanced on the slide. Once all 4 shapes are in place, select all of them. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the shapes or by selecting them one by one. Then press Ctrl and G on your keyboard to group the shapes. Grouping is useful because it lets you work with all the rectangles as a single object for the next part of the process, which keeps everything consistent and easier to manage. After grouping the shapes, right-click on them and choose the Format option. This opens the formatting controls where you can change how the grouped rectangles appear. In the Format settings, click on Picture, and then add a sample picture. This fills the group shape layout with an image, creating the tiled visual effect across the 4 rectangles. As the picture is applied, each rectangle becomes part of the larger image, making it look like the photo has been split into separate tiles. This is a simple but effective way to create a more dynamic visual on a slide, whether you're designing a presentation, a cover slide, or a photo collage effect. Take a final look at the slide and make sure the picture appears clearly across all 4 tiles. If needed, you can reposition the grouped layout on the slide for better presentation. And that's how to split a picture into tiles in PowerPoint.